Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about reproduction in plants. Now, what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which a living being gives rise to its own kind. It is one of the most important characteristics of all living beings. It multiplies the number of individuals of population and ensure the continuity of life on our planet Earth. Now, what are the different modes of reproduction? Plants exhibit two modes of reproduction which are as follows: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In addition to these modes of reproduction, some plants multiply by vegetative propagation. Now, let us discuss each mode of reproduction briefly. So first we are going to discuss about asexual mode of reproduction. Asexual reproduction involves simple division of the plant body into two or more plants or the formation of spores under unfavorable conditions, that is the harsh environmental conditions which are not suitable for a plant to survive. Now what is vegetative propagation? So, vegetative propagation is also a type of asexual reproduction in which a cell or a tissue or a part of a plant body develops into a new organism. As the name suggests, vegetative propagation comes from the word vegetative word, right? So, it is a method of producing new plants from vegetative parts of the plant like stem, root, leaves and vegetative bud. And the last, we are going to discuss about the sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of seeds. These develop from the zygote formed by the fusion of male and female gametes. In this case, two male or the female parents are needed to give rise to a new individual. So this was the brief introduction for asexual reproduction, vegetative propagation and sexual reproduction. Here I have represented the three modes of reproduction in a schematic way. So let us recall what we have discussed in this video. So we have discussed the modes of reproduction in plants. The three modes are there: asexual reproduction, vegetative propagation and the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, which takes place with the help of only one single parent, right? And there are four methods by which asexual reproduction takes place: budding, fission, fragmentation and sporulation, that is the spore formation. And next is the vegetative propagation, takes place with the help of the vegetative part of the plant. So there could be two methods of vegetative propagation: the natural method of vegetative propagation and the artificial methods of vegetative propagation. So natural methods will take place by roots or by stem or by adventitious buds on the leaves, whereas artificial method of propagation can be done by stem cutting, by layering, by grafting or by tissue culture. And the third is the sexual reproduction, in which male and female, like both the parent are needed for the process of reproduction. So this was the end of the briefing of the process and of reproduction, the modes of reproduction. In the next video we are going to study each method of reproduction in detail. So thank you so much for watching the video.